Ayun o, morning, morning. Oh, asan yung isa?
Market kami ng alas 4 eh. Talagang dapat talagang tumarket kami. Diba?
Asan yung isa? Wala.
Wala, hindi nasagot eh.
Alright.
Wala, hindi nag-online.
Nakatulog.
Okay, pang-live lang.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious, and if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Sige nila.
Basag pala siya. Kasi pala, pero sa tamo nito. Pero mataba yun.
Alright.
Alright. Nakapicture ba?
Naka-video yan.
Hindi nagchocolate si Tito Jun.
Hindi ako nag-chocolate. Kumain ako eh.
Sino, ikaw, di ba ikaw nag-post na kumain? Sino ba ikaw? Nice pa na.
Alas 3 pa lang yun eh. Kumakain si Edison na kami. Kumain muna ako tayo.
Pagkain niya pang uric acid.
Hindi, pang
Oo, pag uric acid
21
talaga yun.
kilometer pa lang tayo.
Sakto. Dati ka 10 kilometer.
Lalo kasi nakikita ko na nag-bike na Brian.
Kaya hindi na ako sumakasama. Gawa ng...
Yun na. Ikaw, pagkakasama mo sila Brian.
Pagkasama si Atan.
Ayos na. Hindi ba nung minsan kasama mo si Atan?
Oo?
Hindi ba nung minsan kasama mo si Atan?
Oo, yun. Kami, nagbabay kami.
Gusto nga ni Atan magpapangasinan daw tayo pag abot-abot tayo sa Pinas. Kaya na, abutan daw tayo sa daan, magbabawal daw tayo ng tail.
Hindi, ang problema naman kasi mga... Yung bakasyon na to, gusto ko kasabayan ngayon. October pa?
Ito, October ka?
Masyado malayo na.
Malayo na.
Ikaw?
Eh, Mayo na ako eh. Kung mag-June na to, kaya July, hatayin ko na eh.
Hindi kasi si Kaagan
Sabi
ng
Sabi mo, tubig, malamig.
extend daw siya.
Kaya may exit ka?
Extend. February end of contract nun pero mag-extend siya. After Hats.
Grabe, madilim pa. Pauwi na tayo. Madilim pa, pauwi na tayo. O sige, diretso na lang. Sa dako na lang magkape. Tupad kami ha. Sige, dala na rin ako mamaya.
Ang gusto ko sana Webes. Yung nagbago ng schedule, pasok kami ng Webes saka
Sige po. Diretso uwi na. Para po, ingat po kayo. Salamat. Ito na sa dako. Yan, sa lamig ko yung dalawa. Ako diretso lang. Uwi na rin tayo. Pwede naman tayo dyan sa sidewalk, kaya lang tayo na natin, sabit ko lang naman.